Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we cross the Potomac River and enter our 22nd state, which would be Maryland. According to historical records, the bridge spanning the Potomac River was constructed in 1909. However, the year 1979 is engraved at the end of the bridge. Examining old aerial images and maps reveals that the bridge's location remains unchanged over time. This suggests that the current structure might be the original bridge dating back 115 years, but underwent renovations in 1979. As we enter Maryland, those who have been following our journey may recall the brief stretch of US 11 through Georgia before reaching Chattanooga, Tennessee. Despite covering just 22.8 miles in Georgia, Maryland's portion is even shorter, measuring only 12.83 miles. We're in Washington County, in the town of Williamsport. The town is situated along an ancient Native American pathway connecting New York and the Carolinas. During the mid-18th century, a significant number of European settlers and pioneer families, along with their wagons, traveled along this route known as the Great Wagon Road, stretching from Pennsylvania to Virginia and beyond. In 1744, a ferry was established at what is now Williamsport to help travelers cross the Potomac River. The area that makes up present-day Williamsport was previously owned by Otho Holland Williams, a military officer in the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War, after whom the town is named. Williamsport served as a stopping point on the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal, which operated alongside the unnavigable Potomac River from Washington, D.C. to Cumberland, Maryland, from 1831 to 1924. This canal facilitated the transportation of coal from the Allegheny Mountains over a 184.5-mile route with a 605-foot elevation change, featuring 74 locks and 11 aqueducts to cross major streams, as well as 240 culverts for smaller streams. Today the canal is preserved as the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal National Historical Park, offering a trail that follows its old towpath. Presently, Williamsport is home to 2,083 residents and boasts a vibrant historical district showcasing notable late 19th century Italianate and Queen Anne style buildings utilized for both residential and commercial purposes. As we cross over to the east side of I-81, we enter the unincorporated community of Halfway, so named because it lies halfway between Williamsport and Hagerstown. Halfway is also a census-designated place and had a population of 11,896 as of 2020. Here we cross under Interstate 70 with no direct connection to US 11. This is yet another major interstate ending in 0, which runs about 2/3 of the way across the country. So far on this trip, we've crossed I-10, I-20, and I-40. I-30 doesn't make it far enough east to cross Highway 11, and I-50 and 60 don't exist at all. As we climb this interstate ladder, we still have I-80 and I-90 to cross, and we will before the end of this series. We conclude today's video 5 miles into Maryland and as we enter the city limits of Hagerstown. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.